All right, we're just about just over 20 minutes out from Princeton. Got a little cloud cover here.
Approved direct duty when able, advising direct duty.
But still smooth ride here at 9,000. And nice temperature too. Just above 50 degrees outside air temperature. Expecting a handoff here in a moment. And then probably we'll start thinking about a descent pretty shortly. Passengers are still sound asleep. Effy is looking for some love apparently. Just nudged Jen.
November 1466, Quebec, contact outside approach 124.45.
Was that for 466 Quebec?
Affirmative. Outside approach 124.45.
Allentown 12445. Have a good one, 66 Quebec.
Super KR 5596, approach duty at 1010,000.
Allentown approach, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec with you now, 9,000.
Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, Allentown approach, Allentown altimeter 2987, descend and maintain 7,000.
2987 down to 7,000, 66 Quebec. We're going down.
Remember 466, have a slight amendment to your route.
Is that for 466 Quebec?
And 466 Quebec, correct. Cleared to the Princeton Airport via direct Solberg VOR, that's Sierra Bravo Juliet, and then direct.
Okay, Solberg to direct Princeton, 66 Quebec.
Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, contact New York approach 128.55. Have a good day.
Over to New York, 12855. Have a good one, 66 Quebec.
Calls from Dandy, cross Dandy 1,500, Cloud Atlas, runway 6 approach, contacted Bird Tower 9.5, good day.
Heard Dandy 1500, tower 19.5, 4 Gulf here.
FedEx 3014 Heavy, I'm all from MBay 3000 Sats low, Cloud Atlas 4 left approach, 180 knots, still doing. Tell how ya?
Okay, field inside for FedEx 3014 Heavy.
FedEx 3014 Heavy, I'm all from MBay 3000 Sats localizer, Cloud Atlas 4 left approach, 180 knots, still how ya?
Okay, 3000 till MBay and cleared for the ILS 4 left approach FedEx 3014 Heavy.
Gulfstream 550 Golf Whiskey to set and maintain 3000.
Set and maintain 3000, 550 Golf Whiskey.
United 1526, reduced speed 180.
180, United 1526.
Falcon 883 Sierra Lima, near departure with our contact. Climb maintain 6000, proceed direct Breezy.
6000 Breezy, Sierra Lima.
Spirit Wings 1173 New York Boats, the altimeter is 2982 and Oxford's current at Newark.
Roger.
November 7-8 Foxtrot Juliet, you want the RNAV or the visual 5 in Morristown?
Visual to Morristown for 78 Fox Juliet.
November 7-8 Foxtrot Juliet, roger. Flighting of 130, proceed direct Morristown, you can, set and maintain 3000, vectors visual approach runway 5.
Okay, 130 down to 3000 vectors for the visual 5, 8 Fox Juliet.
You had a 1526, your 4 miles from MBay 3000 Sats localizer, Cloud Atlas 4 left approach, at 17 knots or less, till how ya?
170 left to highway, 3000, cleared ILS 4 left, United 1526.
Falcon 883 Sierra Lima, contact departure 120.8, good day.
20.8, we'll see you.
New York approach, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec with you now, 5,000.
Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, New York approach, roger. The Newark's altimeter is 2982. Let me know when you get the local weather and approach requesting at Princeton.
2982, we have the local weather. We're planning for a visual runway 28. We're looking for lower if you got it.
Centurion 66 Quebec, roger. Proceed direct Princeton and expect lower at about 3 miles.
Direct Princeton, expect lower in 3 miles, 66 Quebec.
Challenger 909 Juliet, 8 miles from Vings, cross Vings at 2,000 feet, Cloud Atlas runway 6 approach.
Hi, Vings at 3,000, Cloud Atlas approach, 2,000 for 909 Juliet.
Challenger 909 Juliet, yes. Vings at 2, then Dandy at 1,500.
Vings at 2, Dandy at 1,500 for 909 Juliet.
You had a 1526 caution with turbulence for 5 miles behind a 767. Contact the Newark Tower 8.3.
18.3, we'll see you, 1526.
Spur wings 1173, turn right 080, vectors ILS 4 left, set and maintain 6000.
0, 4000, Spirit 1173.
Spur wings 1173, maintain 6000, is that what you said?
You said 4,000, Spirit wings 1173.
Spur wings 1173, descend and maintain 6000, heading of 080.
0, 6000, Spirit 1173.
2 Echo Echo request RNF for Caldwell. Baron 2 Echo Echo. Okay, you're clear near Class Bravo, then maintain 3,500 feet for now, and you want to navigate towards Yovan, or do you need vectors for that?
We can go straight to Yovan. We don't need vectors. We maintain 3,500?
Yes, for now 3,500 feet. You're clear near Class Bravo.
This is Bravo 3,500, direct Yovan, 122 Echo Echo.
And Baron 2 Echo Echo is be a full stop.
Full stop.
Challenger 90 Juliet, contact Teterboro Tower 9.5, good day.
19.5, 909 Juliet, good day, sir.
New York approach, Sierra 712 Bravo Charlie, 900 climbing 2000, heading 040.
Sierra 712 Bravo Charlie, New York departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4000.
Climb maintain 4000 to Bravo Charlie.
Centurion 66 Quebec, set to maintain 3000.
Set to maintain 3000, Cessna 366 Quebec.
Call streams 550 Golf Whiskey, you're about 13 miles from Vings, cross Vings at 2,000 feet, clear ILS runway 6 approach.
Vings at 2,000, clear ILS 6 approach to Row 550 Golf Whiskey.
Falcon 78 Foxtrot Juliet, set to maintain 2,500, field 12 o'clock, 6 miles, report in sight.
Field in sight, 78 Fox Juliet.
Falcon 78 Foxtrot Juliet, roger, you're cleared, visual approach runway 5.
Clear the visual 5, 78 Fox Juliet.
New York, Barrett 755, Papa.
Baron 755 Papa, New York approach.
Yes, sir, about 7 miles north of Robbinsville, Barrett 58 VFR out of 6,700 for 9,500, looking for advisories up to Port Smith.
Baron 755 Papa, squawk 0 tree 6.
Thank you, sir.
Sierra 712 Bravo Charlie, turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270 to Bravo Charlie.
Falcon 8 Foxtrot Juliet, radar service terminates, contact the Morristown Tower 8.1.
North Tower 81, 78 Fox Juliet.
Spur wings 1173, set to maintain 4,000.
4,000, Spirit 1173.
Baron 2 Echo Echo, maintain 2,500 feet.
2,500, Echo Echo.
And New York, good afternoon. Skylane 52379 at 8,100, descending for Blairstown.
Skylane 52379, New York approach, roger. New York's altimeter is 2982.
82379.
Baron 5 Papa, or 5 Papa or 75 Papa Papa?
755, Papa, sir.
Okay, I got it right. And what are you climbing to?
9,500, we're out of 7,400.
Okay. Baron 55 Papa, contact approach 120.8.
20.8, thanks for your help, 5 Papa.
You got it. Sierra 712 Bravo Charlie, where are you landing?
712 Bravo Charlie is going to Bravo Alpha X-Ray. It's the Huron County Memorial in Michigan.
Sirius 2 Bravo Charlie, roger. And what was your request altitude? 6 or 8 or 4?
My original altitude was 8, but they gave me a crazy reroute that I was hoping to negotiate later. But the current altitude I've been given is 6, and I'd like to go at 8.
2 Bravo Charlie, okay, well, I'll take a look at your route. Stand by.
And approach Cessna 589, 1000, I'll call it 107 now, descending via the Jig 3.
Spur wings 1173, turn left 060, set the localizer runway 4 left, maintain 3000.
060, 4 left localizer, down to 3,000.
Southern Drive, number 9498.
Tree down, display limits on tree.
Tree down.
Coldstream is 550 Golf Whiskey. Contact the Teterboro Tower 100.5.
Over at Tower, we'll see you, Golf Whiskey.
Baron 2 Echo Echoes over Yovan. Just maintain VFR. Quad on have GPS runway 4 approach.
The approach on the runways in sight. 122 Echo Echo.
Roger.
6 Quebec has Princeton in sight.
And 6 Quebec, Roger. Cleared visual approach Princeton Airport.
Clear visual, runway 28 Princeton.
And 6 Quebec, did you want to cancel in the air or on the ground?
We'll cancel with you now, actually, in the air.
6 Quebec, Roger. IFR cancellation receive. You can squawk VFR and free exchange approved. Good day.
Squawk 1200, free exchange approved. Have a good day. 66 Quebec. Princeton traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, 3 miles to the northeast, inbound for landing, runway 28 Princeton.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough.
Hey everyone, sorry you missed the last part of the flight, but the camera battery died, so we didn't catch it. But we hope you learned a lot about the fuel system on the 310 today. It was fun explaining it to you and showing you how aux and main tanks work. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram, and don't forget about Princess Effy. Till next time, we'll see you soon.
So come with me, maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.